Hi Ofra, I created a short video for you on how to change your chart database. It looks like your chart database has been replaced. So here it is. So click on File and click on Current Database. And then you will see this list of database that you have. And then click on one of the database on your list. Sometimes it's just click on corchsts.mdb, and this thing will get populated. Or select any of the database that has click on here again, current database, that has the current date and the largest one on your list. So for me, I have the January 26 corchs.mdb is the current one that I have, and then I select that. Okay, hopefully this helps for you.